Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you a tender amaranth leaves fry, which is a nutritious and versatile green leafy vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes including stir fries, curries and soups too. Before going into the cooking process, let's understand the benefits of consuming these amaranth leaves. It is very rich in vitamins and minerals. It has good antioxidant properties. It supports good eye health. It may help lower cholesterol and it may help regulate blood sugar too. Consuming weekly once or twice will be very good for health. So come, let's start the process. For making this, I have taken one big bunch of amaranth leaves. I have removed the stems. I have taken only the leaves here. And now we have to wash it nicely for 2 to 3 times. Use more water and wash it and strain the water and keep it aside like this. And this is ready for the recipe. Now take a kadai and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Add 2 red chili slits. Now we have to add the washed amaranth leaves here. Add around 1.5 tablespoon of salt into it. Don't add any water, just stir fry the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes or until the leaves are cooked through. Once you'll feel that the water absorbs, now it is time to add 6 to 7 garlic strands into it. Just smash it and add into it. You can have this as is, otherwise you can add some groundnut powder into it, which will give you a flavor of the amaranth leaves fry to a whole new level. So this was prepared at home. So for this I am taking around 100 grams of groundnuts. We have to dry roast it. And I have taken around 6 to 7 red chilies. Dry roast in low flame. Now with this roasted peanuts and red chilies, we have to make a powder. We have to grind the roasted peanuts into a fine powder using a blender or any spice grinder. And this groundnut powder is a versatile spice blend that can be used to add flavor and texture to a variety of vegetable fries too. And this we can store for around 1 week in an airtight container. The tasty and flavorful powder is ready to add into the fry now. So add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of powder into it. Combine well and serve. That's it, the tasty and healthy recipe is ready. So try it out and let me know how it came to you. See you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye all.